Hello friends, today's question: a point mass of 1 kg collides elastically with a stationary point of mass 5 kg. After collision, the mass 1 kg, the 1 kg mass reverses its direction and moves with a speed of 2 meters per second. Which of the following statements is or are correct for the system of these two masses? So these are the four options, and it's a multi-correct option question. So we are going to check each option one by one. Okay. Now, in the absence of any external force, in the absence of external force, we can say that momentum will be conserved. Momentum is conserved. So let us assume that the initial velocity of 1 kg mass initial velocity of 1 kg, it is given as u, and the final velocity of 5 kg is given as v. Final velocity of 5 kg is given as v. Therefore, by the conservation of momentum, now only 1 kg mass is moving, whereas 5 kg mass is stationary, and it is also given that 5 kg mass reverses its direction after the collision. Therefore, we can say that 1 kg multiplied by the initial velocity u will be equal to the final 5 multiply the velocity after the collision is given as v, and this will be plus 1 and minus of 2. Now here the minus sign is because of the direction reversal. We can say negative sign is because of direction reversal. Let us call this as equation number 1. Now we also know that the, you can say, coefficient of restitution, which is given as E, coefficient of restitution is given as E, and which will be equal to V minus of 2 divided by U. It is given that collision is elastic, so this value of E is 1. You can say for elastic collision, E is equal to 1. We substitute it here, and from here we can get the equation as U is equal to V plus 2. Let us call this as equation number 2. So we substitute value of U from equation 2 in equation 1. Okay, from equation 1 and 2 we get substituting value of U as V plus 2 is equal to 5V and minus 2. So from here we can say, if we solve it, we are going to get V as 1 meter per second. If P is work per second, using equation 2, we can say that therefore U is equal to 3 meter per second. So we got the initial velocity of 1 kg and final velocity of 5 kg. Therefore, we can find out the respective momentum. So we can say that the initial momentum let us call this as Pi, which will be only because of 1 kg mass, as it is the only one moving. So we get M multiplied by U, it means 1 multiplied by 3. So we get this as 3 is the initial momentum. Okay. And the unit will be kg meter per second. Therefore, we can say that option A is the correct option. Option A is correct. Next, let us verify the B part. So we can say momentum of 5 kg after collision. Let us write it as P5. So we can say P5 is equal to mass multiplied by velocity V. Mass is 5 kg and V is 1. So this is coming as 5 kg meter per second. Therefore, option 2 is not correct. Option B is not correct, because in B it is given as 4 kg, where it is 5 kg. And next is kinetic energy of center of mass. You can say velocity of center of mass. Center of mass, let us call this VCOM. This will be equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 divided by M1 plus M2. So we can say velocity of center of mass is equal to 1 into 3 plus 5 into 0 divided by 1 plus 5. So this will be coming as 3 by 6, or we can say it will be 0.5 meter per second. Therefore, kinetic energy of center of mass, let us call this a KE/COM, will equal to half into 1 plus 5 multiplied by VCOM. So we can say the kinetic energy of center of mass is equal to half into 6 into 0.5, and this will be equal to 0.75 joules. That means that kinetic energy of center of mass C is the correct option. Therefore, say option C is correct option. And last is the total kinetic energy of the system. So in this case, as you can say, there is no external force, therefore kinetic energy is conserved of the system is conserved. You can say kinetic energy of the system will be equal to half 1 multiplied by velocity is given as 3 square. So this will be coming as 9 by 2. So this will be 4.5 joules. So in this case, it is given that the kinetic energy of the system, option D, is 4. So you can say option 4, rather D, is incorrect. So this completes the question. Thank you. So therefore we can say that option A and only option C is correct. So this option A is correct and option C is also correct. Yeah, option A and C are correct, whereas option B and D are incorrect. So these are the two options. A and C are the correct options because we are supposed to find out only correct options. Thank you.